Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations. Today I come to you with the next Tonic Studios Craft Kit. And this is a monthly subscription. Y'all have seen me open these every month and I absolutely love them. I'm gonna move the box to the side. And let's see what we got this month. Oh my gosh, I got me a pick! Yes, honey, I got a retractable craft pick. Absolutely love these. I had the Tim Holtz one, and I think I had did something like resin or something. I can't remember, but I am so glad I finally got a new one. That's gonna be awesome. And then it looks like they're giving, let me see, what is this? Oh, just advertisement for the stamp club. And then this one, you spend 50. Well, it says 50 pounds. I don't know what that means. On the site, you can claim your offer for TCK5010. I don't see the expiration 3/18. So depends on when I release this video if it's now or not. Might be too late. But they always have some kind of sale, guys. So you can always check it out. So y'all know the first thing I like to do is the paper. Ooh, did y'all do a different? Y'all did a different folder this time? Wow. Put my pick right there. They did a different paper folder. Alright, so let me take this paper out. I need to get the sheet out first. Let me see. Here we go. Oh, surprise. This is Craft Kit number 65, which I probably already saw in the title. So I can show the names of the papers. And this is the Floral Gate Creator. That's the name of this box. So let's go through the paper. This one is a holographic mirror card, petal pink. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. Petal pink. Absolutely love the mirror cards, honey. That's a holographic mirror card. Then we got holographic mirror card Tidal Wave. Beautiful. I'll try to keep them separated so y'all can see. And then we got glitter card Cotton Floss. Look how beautiful that glitter is. And their glitters does not come off, guys. Let's see. Let's match. Put it here. Does not come off. It does not rub off. Now we have some classic cards going on. This one is Blossom Pink. Blossom Pink. Let's put that in there. All those go together nicely. Then we have classic card Cornflower Blue. I do have these already in my collection. I love these colors. And then I got classic card Navy Blue. Beautiful. And then I got classic card... Oh, we got two. Classic card Raspberry Pink. I don't know if I have Raspberry Pink, but that's nice. I might get it. Raspberry Pink, huh? I might get those. And they gave us two of those. And then for specialty card, let me make sure I'm on the right thing. Okay, yes. Specialty card, we got Hailstorm. And look how beautiful that texture is. I love those. Looks like little pebbles, like you do on your walkway. And it's white on one side. Absolutely love this pink and blue trend here. This is so pretty. So we'll put those up. Absolutely love those. And I love the new little style here on this paper envelope. So cute. We call it the wallet, paper wallet. So let's move that to the side. The next thing I like to look at, oh, look at this. We got another paper pad, 6x6, and this is pattern paper, double-sided Blue Blossom. I was trying to see if they gave out two different kinds. Sometimes they give out different ones. Let me open it. Use my pick. Ha ha ha. Let me see. Let's open it. Alright. There's stuff dropping over there. I gotta get this all off my desk. So let's look at this paper pad. Nope, this is the only one was in this one. So let's look. Now this paper, okay, it's got a little nice little weight. Let's see if it says it on here, what the weight is. It looks like it might be a little bit, it says 160 GSM, so I don't know what that is in pounds, but it's a little bit, feels like it's a little bit bigger, thicker than 65, or it might be 65. So these are the blues. I love the polka dot. I'm going fast because y'all can see those already. Let me see if I can skip it. And then we got the one that has the light blue with polka dots and stripe. These look like jeans to me, like a nice suit. Okay, and then we're going into the pinks. Ooh, this one has hearts. Love the hearts and I love the plaid. Yes, honey. Next one, we have stripes. This one looks like more of a purple to me when you look at it. And then last, but certainly not least, is that the same one? Oh, that must be it. I thought it was more than that. Okay. Still super cute. I love it. Oh, okay, I do see it now on the front. You know, I'd be jumping in 8 designs, 6 each. Super cute. So the next thing I like to look at is the Nuvo bag. Yes, honey. Let's see what we got in here. Not a lot. Not a lot. We only got 3 items. What's going on, Tonic? Alright, so this one is, I love my crystal drops. And this one is carnation pink. I think I have carnation pink, but you can never have enough pink. Y'all know how I do. I love my pink. I need to start using this more on my projects. And then we have the Nuvo embellishment mousse. And this one is peony pink. Look how pretty that is. These look so pretty on your cards or your projects. You know how some people like to put that white on it to roughen. You can do that with the pink. You can do that with any color. So pretty. And then I got me another one. Good, boo. Navy blazer. Oh, excellent. If y'all saw my haul, or if it's after this, I don't know when this video will go up. Now I have 2. Awesome. Navy blazer, 3mm. I am excited. I love that size for a ribbon. All right, so now let's get to the die set for this kit. Now, the name of it is Floral Gate Creator. I love that beautiful flower on there. I like to put the name of it right on the front. Let's open it up and let's see what we got. All right, so the first thing we got is this cute stamp set. And they say, "You will always be special to me." Ooh, that's pretty. "Believe in yourself. Our friendship is forever. Happy birthday. We're wishing you every success just for you. Sending love and wishes your way. Celebrate, it's your day. I'm always here for you. Congratulations, you deserve every success. Remember that you are loved. You are so amazing. Remember that." Oh, I love that. And then this beautiful flower here. That is so cute. These are some positive words. I love that about Tonic. And then look at the dies. Oh, this corner pocket. Yes, honey. Oh, when you're working with mini albums or anything that you need, you're making anything that needs a corner pocket, you have one now. And so it has this pocket. It has the shape of the flower here, and then you can inlay it, or you can cut it out separately to put a different color on top. That is so beautiful. And then you have this one. Okay, so does that lay inside of here? Possibly. Oh, it looks like it does because it has the humps here. Oh my gosh. And then look at this. The little tag. Does that go in the tag? I think so. Oh my gosh, for layering with the tag. This tag is super pretty. Look at that. So that's the first one. And then this, oh no, that was too small. Okay, now I see. This one lays on top of inside of that one. Okay. And then you have a bigger one. So that's what it was, guys. We have a bigger one that goes in there. Because I was like, it didn't look like it go in there. But look how beautiful that will be. Oh! Alright, so this goes inside of this one. And then the other one that we saw is here. And then you got the little cute label with some dotting, some stitching around it. Cute little mini tags. Look at that. This one lays into here if you want it to. And then this is a corner. So does this... Oh, you have multiple layers for this corner. Are you kidding me right now? So now you have 3 layers. Wow. Let me see. Let's just turn it over and see. Look at that. Okay, something ain't right. Maybe it's not. That's a totally different corner. Wow, guys. We have a totally different corner, if I'm not mistaken. Because I'm looking at the cutting here. And if this is the cutting side... Oh, it is. I had to line it up right. Duh, doll. Really? So now you have 3 layers. OMG. If you wanted to do that. That is beautiful. And then you have this teeny tiny little flower here that you could cut out. Girl, I think I love this one. Absolutely gorgeous. So let me show you some pictures so y'all can see exactly what it does. I'm loving the corner die. And it's got 3 layers. What are you talking about? Let's look at some pictures. Look at this. OMG. Look how they did this one. So they did the blue as the base. I like the pink as top, but then they cut out that other piece and put glitter card in there. And then this one is the longer one that we saw, and they made it into a gatefold. Oh my gosh. And then there's that super cute tag. So they used the tag, and then they put that other one that died that has the by itself. This one right here, the little flower right here. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And then this one here is another example. Oh, they cut it out just the outline and made a card that has this at the bottom, the corner, and then they made a little belly band, that one flower, 2 little cards, 2 little tags here, and they stamped on this one, celebrate it's your day. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty, guys. Absolutely love this month's kit. Y'all know I love Tonic stuff anyway. This is so beautiful. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.